the signals for the cages is behind you here. Right? So that actually explains how the bells operate, and you don't want to get it wrong when you operate them, otherwise you're going to be down here for a long time. Right? So walk with me, please. So what we're looking at here is called sedimentary rock, 5 to 6 times harder than concrete. Everything has to be drilled and shattered to get it out. Men's short paid break. Mine has got 20 minutes for lunch and they paid them for it, and the reason for that is to save time and money. If to take them up at lunchtime, they would have wasted a lot of time, and they would have wasted a candle wax of grease. They stick the gold in their beard or in their hair. Some would stick it up their nose, under their tongue, hollow tooth. And what did they work with in the early days? Candlelight. 2 candles per man take his place. The reason for that was no unemployment benefits, no pension, no holiday pay, no compensation. He's down to 8 hours, and one would only burn for 4 hours. So you need 2 candles. 2 pennies a day, 10 pennies. Now, in 1934, the union stepped in and said, you've got better light, you must give it to them. This is a gas lamp that was invented back in the 1800s. The calcium carbide in here is made from coal and limestone. They crush them, they roast them together, the gases from the coal come up, and it gives you 15 to 20 candle power. So miners absolutely love these. The reason I love them so much is the companies of candlelight can't find the gold. But with this, you can. Now they could see it, they wanted it. So they pulled these out of the water. So a lot of gold got stolen with these. The biggest problem with them was they were heavy. Try to hang on to one of these guys. If you tripped and fell over and tipped the water out, flame would go out in about a minute and a half. So you had to get water back in there in a hurry. If you didn't carry any, a lot of gold got stolen, and of course, as I said, if they got caught, 2 years in jail, black band will take out about $1 million worth every 2 days. So the little bits you see in here are not original, we put them there. There's no way knowing that the miners would have left that. But that gives you an idea of what happened and how it comes up. And all the quartz you see came up from the centre of the earth. So you can see here, as it come up, hit the left and going right. So what happened is it filled that gap up. Then it was an aftershock. And because your sandstone is softer than your quartz, it would tear away a layer of sandstone, another layer of quartz would rush in. You can see how narrow it is, and how all of a sudden it gets wider and wider. So that's a good sign, because that brings other minerals along with it. If it's just pure white quartz, they call it graveyard quartz. Won't have it because that brings other minerals along. Tech screws. Tech screws. Oh, yeah, that was super cool. Have everyone seen gold in there? If not, step forward and let someone else have a look. But there it is all there. Did you see it here? And you can see there's iron. It's a lot harder than gold. It reflects the light. And now it's got its name fool's gold, because that's what you can see by candlelight. The gold you can't. Alright? Because the fool's gold's got flat edges. It's like a crystal. It also contains about 1 to 2% gold, where the gold you're looking at is 94% pure. The other 6% is copper, silver and nickel. An 8-hour shift, using 15 to 20 chisels a day. Alright? So you can imagine working by candlelight with a few broken hard hats. Nothing. And look at the size of the hammerheads when you look at that picture. They're all very small hammerheads. But there were quite a few accidents. And that's what I mean. I moved that handle backwards and forwards. That chisel shot in and out, it didn't rotate. So you needed someone in the front of a barn that's like turning it all, working in a white rock silicosis. Life expectancy on this drill was 12 to 16 years. So I called this one drifter, invented in Cornwall. Also made a lot of dust, but by 1918 added water to it, so the dust stopped the monocytosis and the silica with pneumonia. I'm going to make some noise now. Is everyone alright with noise? Fingers in your ears, please. Fingers in your ears, no earmuffs. And you got the fan behind you going at the same time. They called it the screamer. It sounded like an aeroplane taking off. The constant vibrations, no blood circulating in your fingers. No?
$22 or pounds?
$22. Yeah, £11. Here we have the silver air lead drifter that was invented back in 1945. In minutes, and a rock that is 5 to 6 times harder than concrete. Right? So, in the early days, they used hardened steel from a blacksmith shop. These are called.
The doors, I think. Next time on the way back, we can do door.
By the year 2020, visitors to Bendigo are often curious about how the city got its name. We've all heard the saying, here at the southern area of the run was Tom Myers. Tom was a bit of a dab hand with his fists and a great admirer of the renowned British bare knuckle boxer William by Margaret Kennedy and Julia Farrell, whose husbands worked at Ravenswood.
We were washing our clothes and spotted something glistening on the creek bed. When I picked it up and realized
we're now travelling along High Street, the original road from Melbourne to the Diggy. At the time, Bendigo was known as the Golden City, and although the rhythmic stamping of the boards crushing the batteries is coming up on our left is the Sacred Heart Cathedral. It is the third largest cathedral in Australia. Its 87-metre high spire has been part of the Bendigo skyline since 1977. The bronze cross at its apex weighs an incredible Charing Cross and the street head Aldale. The cenotaph coming up on our left was dedicated in the early 1950s upon Barlind and Robert Getchman. It was unveiled in 1881 and named after the then Princess of Wales, Alexandra. Barlind also assisted with the development of a building society, which loaned money to miners, enabling them to move out.
Mama.